Your perfect day on the water shouldn't depend on perfect weather, and with the Cruisers Yachts 38 VTR EC, it never will. This is where open water freedom meets the all-weather protection of an enclosed, climate-controlled cockpit. Whether you're beating the elements or simply want the option to relax in total comfort, this boat gives you more ways to enjoy every moment on the water. The 38 VTR EC commands attention from the very first glance. From its vertical bow that carves confidently through open water, to its panoramic windshield, extended hardtop, and full glass enclosure. Every line and feature is built for the journey ahead, pairing rugged capability with refined comfort. From epic escapes to easy afternoons, the 38 VTR EC is your all-weather ticket to an unforgettable boating experience. At the transom, twin Mercury Verado engines, available in black or white, deliver confident power and a smooth and responsive ride. Additional power configurations are available for those who want maximum performance on the water. Step aboard and you're greeted by a wide, non-skid swim platform that makes boarding and water access effortless. Just forward, a generous aft sunpad allows you to stretch out and unwind, while the aft shade, optional Kenyan electric grill, and deep boarding ladder ensure comfort and convenience are always within reach. An optional built-in tow bar opens the door to water sports fun, from wakeboarding to tubing. Up top, a versatile Thule roof rack gives you the freedom to bring along extra adventure gear, whether it's bikes, kayaks, or something entirely your own. Thoughtful storage solutions are tucked throughout, keeping essentials exactly where you need them. And when the moment calls, the electric beach door opens at the touch of a button, opening the boat to the water and all the possibilities the day holds. Step inside the enclosed cockpit and feel the difference. The dual sliding doors seal out the elements, while the air conditioning, or heating if you prefer, keeps the temperature under your control no matter the weather. Wraparound seating with reversible backrests, a hosting-ready table, and options like a refrigerator or ice maker make entertaining effortless. All-season comfort, all-day usability. This is your escape from the heat, cold, wind, or summer storm without ever leaving the water. Take command at the helm of the 38 VTR EC, behind sleek and innovative SIMRAD displays, joystick piloting, and a built-in phone charger. Always ready for the next stretch of open water. USB ports are placed throughout so every passenger can stay powered up, while premium speakers and a rich, full-bodied sound system turn your enclosed retreat into a soundtrack-filled escape. Beneath you, a unique hybrid stepped hull slices through the water with precision, delivering the kind of efficiency, smooth ride, and sure-footed handling that inspires adventure, even when the weather turns. No bow rise, no hesitation, just pure, confident exploration. Below deck, the 38 VTR EC surprises again. 2 private sleeping areas, including a standard forward cabin and an optional aft cabin, allowing you to overnight with friends or family in real comfort. There's a convertible dinette, optional fridge, smart storage solutions, and one of the largest wet heads in its class. And the overhead skylight lets you bring in the day, or the stars, without ever leaving the comfort of the cabin. At the bow, we drew inspiration from our luxury yacht models to give you a space to truly stretch out, with deep, secure bow seating, space for 6 people, thick cushions, cup holders, grab rails, a Yeti cooler, and an optional bow shade. It's one more place where the 38 VTR EC lets you connect with the water. The 38 VTR EC gives you the freedom to go farther and stay out longer, with the protection, climate control, and versatility of an enclosed cockpit that expands your boating season and your possibilities. From sunrise cruises to changing horizons, from summer fun to fall foliage, This boat was made to handle it all. Ready to elevate your boating experience no matter the forecast? This is all-weather adventure. This is the 38 VTR EC. Visit cruisersyachts.com or your local dealer to learn more.